Hello musicians around the world, welcome to my tutorial on how to clean your guitar. Happy for you to learn with me. Well, I like to keep all my guitars clean even if it's a cheap guitar. For me, it's really important to play a clean instrument. So, let's get started on the tutorial. First, get what you need. Need some clean wood product like guitar polish, lemon oil, and new strings. And other common things are white eraser and clean racks. Yeah, to clean, first remove all the strings. But if you have any strings, or maybe you recently put a new one, you can use the same. In my case, these strings have 2 weeks. So I remove the first string for this example. In this kind of guitar, you need just turn to the right the peg. Then clean all guitar with a clean rag. It should be a soft cloth. After, use white eraser to clean all frets. Next, clean the neck with the rag. When you have removed all, use lemon oil with another rag. Steep all the neck with lemon oil. This works as moisturizer. When you finish with the neck, continue with the body. In this final stage, use guitar polish and make sure not to use the same rag. Finally, put on the new strings. In these guitars, use nylon strings. So first you need to secure the string on the bridge 2 or 3 laps, and in peg insert the string and hook. Finally turn to the left and you're ready to play with a clean guitar. Thanks for watching and have a great play. And don't forget, clean with soft rag before to start playing and after to do it. Your strings will thank you.